Welcome to clickmyproject.com.
It is our project. Our project title name is Improving the Efficiency of MapReduce Scheduling Algorithm in Hadoop. It is our project abstract. The MapReduce has become the ubiquitous for the process large data volume jobs. In existing system, the Hadoop, the weighted the round robin scheduling allocate weight to the each the queue then scheduling the task of the different subqueues according to weight. In this, the project system proposed a method improving the efficiency of the map and reduce scheduling algorithms. Then the SMAR map reduce scheduling technique is being developed, which uses the historical and information and find the slow nodes and launch the multi-task. The historical information is stored the each node in XML formations. In the cost efficient of the tenant with the limited the budget of this estimate the viral map and reduce the cluster by the redundant the multiple virtual series of this VPS from VPS providers. To provide the appropriate the scheduling the sims for this the type of the computing environment, we propose this in this paper this hybrid job described driven scheduling sims SSOBs. The tendency perspective JOSS provide the not only the job level schedulings but also the map task and level scheduling and reduce this level schedulings. JOSS classify the map and reduce jobs based on the job scale and job type and designs of this appropriate scheduling the policy to the schedule the each of the class of the jobs. The goal is the improving the data locality of the for both the map and reduce the task and avoid the jobs starvations and improve the job execution and the performance. The two variation of the JOSS is the feature introduced the separately achieve the better map and reduce locality and the faster the task assignment and we conduct the extensive the experimental to evaluate the comparison between the two variation of the current scheduling algorithms supported by the Hadoops. The results show that the two variations our performance that outstanding other tested algorithms in terms of the map and reduce locality and reduce the data locality and network overhead without occurring the signification overhead. In addition, the two variations of the separately the suitable for the different map and reduce workload scenario and provide the best job performance among the all tested algorithms. Many task and scheduling algorithms have been proposed improving the data locality and the shortest job turnaround time, but most of this job only the focus on the scheduling map and reduce rather than scheduling map and reduce task. Hence, they employing the virtual map and reduce clustering and the low reduce then locality locations. It is our project flow diagram. In our project flow diagram, the first we can be start in our flow. The first is data uploading process. The data uploading is one of the type of the process. We select this any type of data and it can be uploaded. Then this the data raw data is second process is an segmentation process. In the segmentation process, the data is split into this size wise it can be split. So it is in segmentation process. So next is identify the data centers. So in this process we create this number of jobs. So user can be in this job the job time, job arrival time and the job cost can be displayed. The user can select any type of job to allocate the data. In this job is goes from align this data centers. So we can be this job can be allocation the job is perform the data centers. So next is task assignment. Task assignment is a process our data is goes to store from this data centers and it is the allocation task can be performed. The performance time also be calculation. So next is task pre-process. So next the task pre-process after the completion. The task processing means the data is allocated to process. The data allocation time and the duration and map and release result can be shown from this task processing module. In this module can be stop at last. This stop process can be implemented. After the stop process, this calculation time can be completed. The graphical result can be shown in the result. It is our project. So it is our project source code hybrid job. So extract these packages. There are the two types of packages: hybrid job package and second is traffic. So click this home page.java and right click this run file. So it is our project home page. So click this start. So it is in load data. Load data means if you select any of the data to load. So it is our project data. So it is this sensor relevant data informations. Okay. So in this our sensor data, the temperature, Celsius data, and all information of latitude, longitude, location, ID, and all information of include this in our data set. So it is our data. Okay. So after this loading process can be completed, the data size, the information, basic information, data information can be displayed. Okay, in the file upload successfully. So next show the census data. So it is our census data information can be displayed. So next so it is data segmentation process. So click this segmentation. There are the 5 types of segmentation: job 1, job 2, job 3, job 5. Data is segmentation in job 5 and it is in job count job 1 to job 3. So next we have selected any type of job. So in a job 1, the job 1 information can be displayed, arrival data centers and all information can be displayed. So job 2 in all information can be displayed. So I have selected this job 2 and click this next. So I have sent this select this job. The job can be transmit the data from this DC. Okay. So you can click this in this package dc1.java and click this run file. If you click this run file, the dc1 is run. So it is in dc1 data center 1. So it is our job. Okay. So it is a port number. So I give the any 4 digit port number 555. So it is an I give the same port number in this port number job port number. So it is IP is localhost. So click this connect and click this request. So client is connected and click this accept and click this receive. So job is assigned for server. So it is our server. I select this job 2. It is an execute job. So you click this execute job button. The execution can be started. The map reduced information can be displayed. Okay, the map and reduced information can be run on your console. So it is in map and reduce. So it is in map reduced result can be display frame. So it is in job count and the job result can be displayed. Okay. So it is in total completion time can be displayed. So it is in a map and reduce output can be displayed. So next click this view details. The total processing time and the processing cost and arrival time can be displayed in this field. So our process can be allocated from HDC ones and HDFS uploaded the HDFS and the map and reduce process can be completed. So next we can goes to the minlp.java. So click this minlp.java. The execution result can be displayed. The flow of chunks means splitting time and operational cost and weight and total energy duration can be displayed in this field. So click this next frame. The same flow, the job optimal schedulings, transmission rate links and weight and total energy cost can be displayed. So it is in comparison graph between the number of nodes and optimal overall cost result. So it is in joint optimal result and this is a non joint optimal result. So it is node result can be displayed in this field. So thank you for watching this video.